Hi guys, so for this video I'll be using a crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters and yarn in size 2. So I'll start by making a slip knot, then I will chain 4. Now that I've chained 4, on the last chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now to create this loop for row 1 I will chain 3. Now through the same loop I'll make 9 double crochets. So this 3 chain in the beginning of a row counts as 1 double crochet, so we'll have 10 double crochets in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that we have 10 double crochets, to finish row 1, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll chain 3, and then right there through the same chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. For row 2, we'll increase in every single chain, so by the end of row 2 we'll have 20 double crochets instead of 10. To finish row 2, right there to the 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I will chain 3. Then right there to that same chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet, and through the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet. By the end of row 3 we need to have 30 double crochets. So for row 3 we are increasing in every second chain. To finish row 3, right here to this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, I'll chain 3, then through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet, through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet, and through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. For row 4 we'll only be working in our existing chains, so we'll continue working in these 30 double crochets. So now that we have reached the end of row 4, right there to the third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So we repeat row 4 until we have 13 rows in total. Now for row 14, I will chain 3, then right there to the next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, 1 double crochet. So we'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until we have 22 double crochets. So now that we have made 22 double crochets, we have 8 more chains left, but we will not be working through these chains. So for row 15, I'll turn my work around. Then I'll chain 3. Then through this next double crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. So continue making 1 double crochet in each chain until we have 22 double crochets in total. Repeat row 15 until our slipper fits our foot. So we'll continue working through this 22 double crochets until we have 10 rows of double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now we have 23 rows in total. So now I will chain 1. Now leave a medium-sized tail. Now I'll turn my work inside out. and I'll join these two sides together with a yarn needle. Now I'll turn my work inside out. So now I will use yarn in a different color, and I'll work only around this loop. So right here I insert my hook, I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain one, and right there through the same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through this next loop I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next loop 1/2 double crochet, and this yarn is in size 3. So the purple one is in size 2 and the white one is in size 3. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each loop throughout this row. To finish this row, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes this first row. Now for row 2, I'll chain 1.
你烧一下就 smooth 是吧？Oh my god！我们那么多年没有什么。
Then through the same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. So my sister is here, she's visiting. She doesn't like that I make my projects very colorful. She just corrected me. She's sort of a bully. She always bullies me. You can check her channel, it's right there on my channel suggestions. And tell me.
All the hate mail. Just says such and such.
I'm a simple person. I'm gonna leave this in here. Well, now I have to crop that because they're gonna think you're mean. Finish this row right here. So it's first half double crochet chain. I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain one and I'll cut this yarn. Now we just weave these ends in. How the finished slipper looks, and it fits sizes 7 and 8. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.